Sanibona emakhaya igama lami Scelo Ngubane. I'm an inspirational speaker. Today we have a special guest all the way from Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Please introduce yourself, sir.
Salbona. Jeys Marabini, all the way from Zimbabwe. Kobulayo kontutu zathunga komfazi ushaya indoda.
Awuzwe.
This is where I come from, and I was born and bred in a place in a region called Matebeleland South. This is where I was born and bred there. As a musician, I grew up hitting cake and goes there. This is where I grew up. This is my roots. Yeah. Matebeleland.
Awuzwe.
Yes.
You're a musician.
A full-time musician.
Ushaya isigingci.
Ngishaya isigingci yonke into kumnandi.
I was introduced with one song before we go with your story.
Yeah, so ngizonikeza ingoma nje ekhuluma ngeAfrica ukuthi Africa icontinent enhle kangakanani.
Awuzwe.
And you know, yeah, lokuthi mesikwazi ukuthandana, sikwazi ukuzwana.
Awuzwe.
Njengabantu, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Na 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 Africa, Africa, yeah, Africa, Africa, sunshine, sunshine in Africa, hey, sunshine. Sunshine in Africa, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. I love Africa. Ubuhle b'Afrika yimvelo yakhona. Ubuhle b'Afrika zintombi zakhona. Zintombi zinhle eAfrika. Ubuhle b'Afrika yubuntu bakhona. Africa mawu, Africa umkhulu. Africa is not about poverty. Africa is not about poverty. There are good things in Africa. Woze Africa uzobona imvelo yakhona. Buye Africa uzobona intokozo. Zintombi zakhona zihle Africa, ubuntu bakhona mnande Africa. Oh, Africa, 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 yeah. Naso ke ingoma.
Intombi zakhona.
Intombi zakhona zinhle kabi.
Azihle.
Hayi.
Zifana intaba zakhona.
Zifana intaba zakhona lemvelo yakhona.
Yes, sir.
Kuchaya umoya phela eAfrica kuhle kakhulu. Zona izintaba, you know, I've traveled around the world and ngibona ubuhle beAfrica. Thina was so lucky. uNkulunkulu wasipha indawo enhle kakhulu. It's all that sometimes we don't know, especially nxa ungakazo travel ubona amanye amazwe. Abantu bafisa nje ukuthi babone sunshine. Ilanga nje liphume, you know, that sunshine. In other countries it's always hot. I mean, it's always cold. Rainy season every time, January to December. But here we're like thina siya lesikhathi sokuchisa sibe lesikhathi somqando konke kumnandi nje.
The beauty of Africa. So the name Marabini.
Yes, Marabini.
Yes. Where does it come from?
Marabini ibizo lithi kakhulu lithi Jeys.
Okay.
Jeys libizo engakhula imbizo ngale ekhaya. So ngathi senza lo mculo ngacabanga ukuthi no, bathi khona ibizo okhulwe ubizwa ngale ekhaya leli sibusiso liphiwa ngabazali. So abazali ibizo lami lokuzalwa ngumajaha wodwa okondlovu.
Yeah.
So
amajaha wodwa because you are only boys.
Boys were 9 of us.
Nine of
us. So yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, so nxaba bethi bembiza lapha basithi J phangisa ubuye lapha J because my name was too long ukuthi balibiza majaha wodwa buya la. So basibiza J. So ngasensithi mase ngiqala umculo la ngasithi no, it's better call myself Jay because I believe there's that blessing.
Yes,
then Marabini libuya ekuthini I recorded my first album called Marabini. So this song was so big in Zimbabwe. So I won an award, sama award. It was an introduction ye music esengiyenza manje. So ngenza le ngoma ikhuluma nje ngempilo yama 60s.
Okay.
60s 70s abantu bebegqoka ama hate la amakhulu, you know, big shoes, lama trousers and you know that kind kind of thing. It's partying, you know, that partying atmosphere. So
Okay.
ingoma lekhona imnandi kakhulu. Abantu bayithanda, abanye bakhumbuza kudala, abanye befunda ukuthi impilo yakudala yayinjani kusiwa phambili njengoba impilo iyayivolve, izinto ziyatshintsha zisiya phambili. So ngayenza ingoma lethi Marabini. So bayithanda kakhulu abantu. So mangihamba abantu abesithi instead of calling me Jeys, babembiza
Marabini.
Marabini sengiyathi nguJeys, abantu bathi hayi uMarabini wena Marabini.
Wow.
So then I said, no, let me combine this way, these names, and call myself Jeys Marabini, because I believe it. Leli bizo I was given it by abantu,
Yes.
public. So I said, no, let me call
For
myself
receiving of your
Jeys.
music.
Yes, by receiving the popularity of that song and the music that eyayenza ngazakala leyo ngoma ethi Marabini. So iyanikeza leli bizo album yokuqala.
You said also you started music from esikolweni.
Yes, I started music from school very way back in the 80s, and so njengomuntu ole background yokhulele ekhaya, you know, khulele enkonzweni, abantu sibecula lapha ku church enkhulele kuthiwa Brother in Christ Church, kwenkhulele khona bakuculwa kakhulu, umama wami becula kakhulu e-church, labafowethu becula bele group yokuhlabela lapha ngaze South Africa, but I think South Africa biza bathi Sicathameni,
Yeah.
but eZimbabwe sibiza sithi Imbube.
Okay.
Imbube, yeah. So that's the music engikhula ngilalela kulo lethi speak Black Mambaza, lalela Yuma Sekela, lalela all jazz pioneers, music yakudala lana real music yabo. So yangi-inspire kakhulu, and other musicians also from Zimbabwe by that time, Solomon Skuza, you know, yeah. So ngumuntu nje okhule ngisephakathi kwabantu abaculayo. So ngakho ke ngathi ngiqeda ke isikolo no ngakuthatha lokho ngakuthi ngifuna ukuthi mase ngiqeda isikolo sengumuntu osokumele asebenze, ngizathatha umculo kube umsebenzi wami. So yikho ke 89 I started a group called Comforting Brothers.
Okay.
Embube, njengoba I've said, from my village, I sayifoma, then we had to sing in churches, in schools, everywhere, you know. Yeah, yakhula ke into le, yakhula since we were coming from the village. We thought ukuthi lento esikhulile abantu bayithanda, then we said let's move to town. Then sabuyela sako Bulawayo, which is Bulawayo is the second largest city in Zimbabwe.
Yes.
Sako Bulawayo ke lapho, because sikhangela ukuthi wena sizaba ku television, sizaba kusema newspapers, sizabona abantu abaningi, you know, because kulakona ama tourists abuyayo, you know, from different countries ezobona nje iAfrica njengoba zange kade ngikhuluma ngeAfrica. So yeah, so afika lapho sadlala ingoma kwaba mnandi kakhulu, sakhula, yeah. So from there kwakhula kwathi ngo-98 yikho saba lethuba lokuthi siye phesheya kwezilwandle lapho sakhona e-India, sasuke India, I think sahamba for 2 months, sabhoda ama cities lana wonke lana o-New Delhi, o-Mumbai, o-Chennai. From there we sabuya 2 months la, went to Canada. Canada performer in different cities, Calgary, Vancouver, Winnipeg, Montreal, St. Alberta, you know, all those cities in Canada. Ngomculo nje, umculo wesintu, umculo wembubo ngaleso sikhathi. So yeah, I've traveled the world through music, and ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu because to be given that opportunity to live until this time, so that I can tell my history, tell where I come from, it's to me into embonisa a blessing from God. So from there ke ngadlula lapho anti ngikhuluma ama-90s, kwabuye kwazofika ama-2000 2001, that's when I started the band.
Okay.
I changed from Imbube music to
iband.
Yeah, iband ke manje sendlala instrumentals, yeah. So yikho engakho album yami lethi ngikhuluma ngayo ethi Marabini yangenza ngaziwa. Then from there I didn't stop, kwabuya ama-albums, Thuthukani ngothando, you know, and also traveling around the world. I've met a lot of musicians, around the world. Yosondo, Papa Mal, also to string quartet, bengihlangana nabo, Letty Smith, Black Mambaza, besihlangana nabo overseas, Osalficate, besihlangana nabo overseas. So many musicians, especially from ngikhuluma from South Africa, Zimbabwe, lamanye amazwe are different. You know, I'm talking of those that are really there on the market, and also the privilege to share the stage with the Peter Gabriel. You know, Peter Gabriel is a big musician kakhulu, waduma kakhulu ngama 80s 90s, wayelingana labo Michael Jackson. So I take opportunity to share the stage with him, and of which, yeah, so from there into zahamba nje ngenza ama-albums ngafika ikhaya iminyaka leminyaka every time releasing, but mina music yami release after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, that's why the 10 albums from all that time, because music can last for a long time. If I record, it will take me 2 years people to say they want another album, because they consume me into original lehlala for a long time. It's a lifetime music engiyenzayo.
Well, I wanted to also check that what is your focus in music? I know we speak about Utando.
Yeah.
What else do you talk about in your music?
In us, it's positive thinking.
Yeah.
Positive thinking and forgiveness. Umhlaba ngeke ube umhlaba without love, without forgiving each other. Singabantu nje sokuphila emhlabeni. So love is very important. I talk about that kakhulu, in my music, and about the families, about the awareness. Uyabona kulezi zinto eziningi ezenzakala emhlabeni, that music can reach out there, ihambisa message. Ngikhathi sile mkhuhlane njengabo corona, abantu yabo HIV, nje izinto nje zokuthi abantu bakwazi ukuphila with music is there to save the people, the lives of the people. So in music mayidlala eredweni manje lamhlanje television, a lot of people are going to see. They will learn something from me as a musician, also as Zimbabwean. Understand ukuthi Zimbabwean people are like this, baphila kanje. So yeah, that thing, and so lokuthanda nje ukuba yimi kwami imvelaphi yami, where I come from as an African, to me is very important, because I traveled around the world. I've seen people, I've seen tribes, I've seen a lot of in different countries. I want they love who they are. There's Chinese food, there's Spanish what, there's Pakistan food. In Africa, of course, there's African food. You understand? There's so I couldn't enjoying identity in this world, in this earth. You have to identify where are you coming from, who are you. So I want people overseas, they want to hear our stories. You understand? How we cook, how we mourn, how we celebrate, how we whatever meditate, whatever, in an African way. Can you teach us your songs? How, if you want to do this, how to do it in Africa? Those are the things that we tell. So manje kuvayivesa manje generation yamanje, they want to be Western, you understand, which is unfortunate, because angeke ngihlabele mina hip hop better than an American. That won't happen. But an American can't do what I'm doing. So the music is completely different. So sometimes we think is there something wrong? There's nothing wrong about us as a people, as Africans. You understand? So yeah. So ngathi nje in brief, this is my history, where I come from and what I've done. I've shared, especially in South Africa. I've shared with so many musicians here. Can they name the late Muzulu Tulu, Ringo, Judy Sepuma, the Soul Brother, name them, a lot of them. When they come, especially when they come to Zimbabwe, we share the stage with them. Find out the promoter, they are bringing someone. They say, Jeys, can you come and share the stage with this one? With the late Olvam Tukutsi, and so many musicians have shared the stage. I've had that privilege, actually. Wow. So yeah, I'm still growing, especially here in South Africa. Actually, you are part of my history, my journey, because it's the first time to be on television here in South Africa. This is going to be history. When I go home, I will tell them about you and what you do.
To say the Tunas MTV
is here. Yes, please. Yes, please.
Yeah. So why is important maybe to encourage the focus, because now your focus is music and you're doing music. What's maybe the importance of people focusing on something and the gift that they have?
Yeah, in whatever you do, if you do it right, if you dedicate yourself, if you have love, if you have patience about whatever you do in life, God is going to bless you. Wow. You understand that there's nothing impossible. It might take time sometimes, but what I believe in is that as long as you work very hard, your time is coming. You'll be known. There are other musicians, for example, I can give the example of Olvam Tukutsi. Olvam Tukutsi, he was there in the music industry, but he was successful after 36 years. Just imagine. After 36. That's when all the South Africans knew about Olvam Tukutsi. But he had started music way back in the 70s. But because by that time the other musicians were better than him, Nsambe, who were sounding relevant to that time by that time, understand?
So you must know your time is coming.
Yeah, you must know that your time is coming. So you need to be patient. You need to be you understand? To stay there on your line. So one day you'll be very happy when sometimes I become successful,
Yes, sir.
contributed something to this guy.
But I know where it started.
Yeah, it came to, and you must take pictures and
Yeah.
make sure you
The
put it in your
memories.
archives.
Yeah.
Keep this video. Yeah. So life is like that. So I want to encourage people to know there's nothing impossible in life if you want to do it. It's especially when the most important thing in life is life on its own.
Yes, sir.
That you are living, you're breathing, you have brains, you can do things. You understand that? So that's what we have to think every day when we wake up. And then when we wake up, just try to work very hard.
I think also to emphasize what you were saying about don't try to copy the West. Be as original as you are, because there's only going to be one Marabini.
Yes.
Because they will also invite you in the West because of you are Marabini.
Yes.
But they can't invite you if you are semi hip hop here. They will say, no, we have ours.
We have ours. So we want to see something different.
So in this industry, what sells is also to be original and to know where you come from.
Exactly.
You said yesterday you were in KZN. You're also enjoying the people there.
Wow. What an opportunity. I want to thank those guys, and I want to thank you guys. He is especially here in Joburg for giving me this opportunity. This is a big opportunity for me, and I want to thank the viewers out there that are going to watch this program. They must spread more word about Jeys Marabini, because Jeys Marabini is everywhere. We are on Facebook, we are on Twitter, we are on Instagram. We try every time, because now it's social media. Yes, you understand. True. So the world has changed. Things are evolving, things are changing. So also we're moving with times. You understand? So we are here to serve you. So my music, but I play it live. I don't play what we call
miming.
Yeah, no, I don't mime.
You keep the original.
Yeah, I keep the
like
original.
Even here in studio,
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So where when people want to follow on socials, your name is
Jeys Marabini, which is
Marabini.
Which is Jeys.
Yes.
Then Marabini, which is Jeys Marabini.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm called Jeys Marabini.
On Facebook?
Yes, I'm on Facebook. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Twitter. Okay. I'm on TikTok.
Wow.
Instagram. Yeah. All the Also my music is there online. People can buy and then they go and search for my music for the work that I've been doing for over 3 decades now.
Wow.
I'm doing
and the future plans were from here. You know that you are here in South Africa to stay.
Yes. No, actually, I'm not here to stay. I've just visited at a seminar.
No, I'm saying for your music.
Yeah, to stay. Of course, yes. The music is there. Of course, yes.
Yeah.
So I came in South Africa for a seminar. I've been invited as one of the delegates to a seminar that was happening last week here in Joburg. So with a musician from Seychelles, from Ghana.
Wow.
From Namibia, from Kenya, and it's just a spiritual thing. You understand? Like if religion versus the traditional. So because of my music, and they said no, we are choosing you from Zimbabwe to come and represent Zimbabwe when it comes to this. So because of the kind of music that I play and the way how I love Africa, they said no, I want you to be part of this. So it was a really eye-opening things. There are politicians, even here in South Africa, politicians from Kenya, from different countries, even from Zimbabwe. Politicians, they invited politicians, and So then I said no. After that seminar, I have to take the opportunity to network, come here to network, so that my work can be seen and I may be known here in South Africa. So ngathi nje iyo lento lo ukuthi umzuku wami uzohlala forever, and I'm grateful that you gave me this opportunity to be here. So that's the future. The future for me is to, as we asked, music reach out to Africa. Sometimes we tend to think that Europe and America and the rest of the continents, even we have to start in Africa
and support our own.
Because sometimes you find that people don't know me as Jeys Marabini here in South Africa. But I've been a musician for over 30 years. I've shared with a stage with so big musicians, but people don't know me here. So I've discovered, no, man, I have to go to Africa. I have to go to Africa. I have to start with South Africa. Africa, I want to go to Botswana, I want to go to Zambia, I want to go to Malawi, different countries in our continent, to share this music, to share this culture. And people must believe in themselves as Africans, understand. So it's very, very important that we share our culture and our beliefs and our traditions as Africans. So my music fits very well there. So especially I have a new album called Chola, a new album which I released this is 2022 November.
What inspired Chola?
Yeah, it's to forgive or forgiveness. That's the meaning of the album. Forgive or for forgiveness. Like there are a lot of things that are happening around the world. Especially when teenagers travel, you find that there are a lot of conflicts around the world. There are a lot of kind of conflicts. So music reach out to the souls, understand that, and talks to the people. No, this is not good, because we don't want wars. We don't want these conflicts around the world. Of course, that is always there, but that's not needed.
There will never be any development.
We live together. We share the world. Why fighting? Why is it the world is like this? I ask myself, why is the world like this when we have Islam fundis, Islam bishop, Islam politicians, Islam business people, we have laboratory scientists, and you find then why is it they don't see good people must live in peace? Because we want peace in the world. Because the world I never. Umhlaba ngeke uqede. Umhlaba unjalo uNkulunkulu wawufaka unjalo. So uNkulunkulu ngesindlela, if the world is creating wars, izimpi, abantu bayafa, uNkulunkulu uyazibuza, I put these people here on earth and manje bheka sebesenzana. uNkulunkulu siphile. uNkulunkulu phela we didn't pay for this. Just imagine, for you to be in this house, you have paid to build this house. But uNkulunkulu gave us the world and the earth for free. Just think of it.
Wow.
Have you thought of that? We're not given. We didn't pay anything.
So why must we be greedy and fight?
Why then we are greedy, we are fighting, we want to take everything, and it's just greediness in the world. You understand? So I'm saying with my music, no, the world mustn't be like that.
So the legacy you are pushing is of unity, of peace.
Reconciliation, love, and that's you find especially in Africa, you find people sometimes we go to the extent of maybe Africans fighting on their own. You understand that? Like especially in this xenophobia thing. And I don't believe in that, my brother. I don't believe that. I believe in peace. I believe a human being is a human being. So when we have the guts of taking someone's life, and those are things I think every day as a museum too. But why is it like that? When we are giving the world free, oxygen mahala. We say oxygen mahala. Do we pay for oxygen? Do we rent?
No, we don't.
We don't rent oxygen. Oxygen is there, but we don't think of God. We think about what? Ourselves. That's why that's why there's hatred in the world. Yeah? People think of themselves, but they don't think about God, who gave us these things for free. But they think of what? Themselves. As human beings, we think of ourselves.
Selfishness.
So just human beings are selfish sometimes. You understand? But at the end of the day, akula muntu ohlala forever on earth. But what difference will you make when we die? When that is positive in the world, because you want to stay forever. Even if how much you fight, even whatever, but there's a time you understand. So those are things. So my music is about. So I'm talking deep. But this is Africa. This is the music from Africa. It talks about those stories.
I was sharing a ngoma before we close.
Right. Ikhona ingoma engithandayo ethi ngikhumbuza abantu ekhaya.
Awuzwe.
Abantu bahamba bese befuna umsebenzi, but asafuna umsebenzi, into zinzima lapha enxa mhlambe singophila kangcono. Ngcono ngiyedinga umsebenzi kwenda. Hayi umuntu mayihambe khona la. Kasaphenduka. Sethi buya phela.
Amagodu.
Azathi hamba hawu umuntu. So ngizama nje ukuthi ngithi abantu hayi khumbule ekhaya.
Khumbule ekhaya.
Ngiyamfakela la. Ibuyile ivele ekhaya, ibuyile ivele ekhaya, Inomlayezo, inomlayezo wakho, inomlayezo wakho mfana ugoguthe ukhumule ekhaya, ugoguthe woze ekhaya, uyabalisa uyazibuza uyaswela impendulo, asibuza ukuthi kambe washonaphi, asibuza ukuthi kambe wadliwa yini na. Uma ngifike ekhaya abazali bangibuza ngawe, uma ngifike ekhaya abazali bangibuza ngawe, bayabalisa bambuza ngawe njalo, bayabalisa bathi woze ekhaya, woze ekhaya, wo
Whoa! Wow!
Yes.
Wow! Wow!
Yeah,
Beautiful.
yes.
Last words as we go.
Ngithanda ukuthi uJeys Marabini musician who's there for life. I've dedicated actually the whole of my life to making music, and it's a great opportunity to be here. Also, ngikhuluma lana emakhaya, and nguJeys Marabini wakhona all the way from Zimbabwe. I'm sending love from my own country to you and to the whole of Africa and the whole world, that we must love each other, we must live together. So we are there every time. Mawufuna uJeys Marabini uthi afike in your city, I'm available, and sikhona ku Facebook, sikhona yonke indawo. Ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu iThulas to give me this opportunity. I want to thank you very much, guys, for this. So this is all I can say. I'm there. So I've got the slogan. I say Jeys Marabini one time. Jeys Marabini.
Jeys Marabini one time.
Yeah, we're doing things one time.
Also, I hope Emakaya you're inspired. Jeys Marabini, all the way from Zimbabwe. My brother is speaking about love, the unity, us coming together and loving and supporting of one another. He says, "Akusizi ukuthi saziwe ngaphandle, kodwa thina la ekhaya we don't know each other. Let's support one another. Let's know our roots. Let's know who we have around ourselves. May God bless you and may God be with you. Thank you so much.
One time.
One time."